In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms for attendance. Let's jump right in and walk through the entire workflow step by step. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser and signing in with your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is where all your forms live. From here, confirm that you are on the Start from the new Microsoft Forms welcome screen, since that's the area we'll be working in. Next, click on Registration. This will load a set of registration and attendance-related templates for you to choose from. From those templates, choose Attendee Confirmation Survey, or pick the closest attendance or registration template that's shown to you. If a preview window opens up for the template, go ahead and click the button to use or open that template so you can begin editing it. Now we're going to rename the form so it reflects what we're actually using it for. Click the form title at the top of the page. Then replace the existing text with Team Attendance Check-in, typing that in slowly and clearly into the title field. Below the title, add or update the description, and enter the text, "Submit this once when you arrive." This gives your team a clear instruction the moment they open the form. Now let's move into editing the questions for attendance. The first question we want is a full name question, so keep the existing one if it's there, or add a new full name question if it isn't. After that, turn on the required toggle for full name, so no one can submit without typing in who they are. Next, keep or add an attendance status choice question. This is where attendees will mark their status. We need to add 3 options here. For the first option, type present, which will be the standard check-in option. For the second option, type late, for anyone arriving after the start time. And for the third option, type excused, which covers anyone who has a valid reason for not being present in person. Once those 3 options are in, turn on the required toggle for the attendance status question as well. Now go through the rest of the form and remove any template questions you do not need, such as a phone number question or a long event feedback question, so the form stays short and focused. It's time to test the form. Click Preview at the top of the screen to open the live view. In the full name field, enter the sample name Avery Patel. Then select the present option under attendance status. Once those are filled in, click Submit to send the test response. After that, click back to return to the editing view. Now let's check the attendance sheet. Click View Responses. Confirm that it shows one response, which is the test submission you just made. Then click Open Results in Excel. When the spreadsheet opens, confirm that the sheet shows the sample attendee name, the status you selected, and the timestamp of when it was submitted. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we're going to copy the attendance link so you can share it. Go back to the Microsoft Forms tab in your browser. Click Collect Responses to open the sharing options. From the available options, select Anyone Can Respond, which is the choice you'll want if you need a public check-in link that anyone can access. Finally, click Copy Link, and the shareable URL will be saved to your clipboard, ready to be sent out to your team. At this point, you now have a Microsoft Forms attendance check-in form, a shareable attendance link, and an Excel response sheet that records each attendee as a row, capturing their name, their status, and the submission time automatically. Congratulations, you've successfully built a complete attendance tracking flow inside Microsoft Forms, and it's ready to use the next time your team needs to check in.